Good afternoon and namaste my dear students. I am Ms. Samiksha Katwal teaching you English grammar of grade 6. So in our previous class we discussed about nouns, pronouns, verbs, use of adjectives, and today we are going to discuss about use of tense. Are you ready my dear students? Hope everyone is ready with their copy and pen in your hand, right? So today we are going to discuss about tense. So what is tense? A tense refers to time when something happens or done. It might be present time, past time or future time. Did you understand my dear students? A tense refers to time when something happens or done. It might be present time, past time or future time. There are three types of tense, that is past tense, present tense and future tense, which we can say past time, present time and future time. Did you understand my dear students? I think you had already learned this in your grade 5 also, right? Okay, so there are three types of tense which I already told you, that is past tense, present tense and future tense. So past tense, present tense and future tense. Past tense, present tense and future tense. Past tense, which we had already did. Present tense, which we are doing. Future tense, which we are going to do. Did you understand my dear students? Past tense, present tense, future tense. Past tense, which we had already done. Present tense, which we are going to do. And next one, future tense. Past tense, which we had already done. Present tense, which we are doing. And future tense, which we are going to do in future. Okay, there are varieties of tense like aspects of tense. So there are varieties of tense like different tenses like present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, it shows running time, such as we are studying grammar right now, we eat food daily, etc. And past tense, it shows the things which we are already over, such as we played football, we went to the zoo. And future tense, it expresses the things happening in coming time, such as we will go on a picnic tomorrow, she will join the music class, etc. So what is meant by present tense? Present tense, it shows running time, such as we are studying grammar right now, we eat food daily. And past tense, which we already did, that means we played football yesterday, we went to the zoo, etc. And future tense, we will go on a picnic tomorrow, she will join the music class, etc. Present tense, past tense and future tense. Now next one is aspect of tense. Aspect of tense. There are varieties aspects of tense like simple tense, perfect tense, continuous tense and present continuous tense. What are they? Simple tense, perfect tense, simple tense, perfect tense, continuous tense, present continuous tense, like simple tense, simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Whereas perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Whereas continuous tense, that is present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. And another one is present continuous tense, that is present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and the last one is future perfect continuous tense. Did you understand my dear students aspects of tense? Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. So simple present tense. Simple present tense. First, let's discuss about simple present tense. Simple present tense. So here, affirmative, 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 negative, and interrogative. Interrogative. First of all, affirmative, subject plus B5 plus object. Subject plus B5 plus object in simple present tense. Next one, negative. Subject plus does not plus V1. Subject plus does not plus V1. And next one is interrogative. Does plus subject, does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. This one is interrogative, simple present tense. First of all, affirmative, subject plus B5 plus object, negative, subject plus does not plus V1, and interrogative, does plus subject plus B1 plus object plus question mark. So what will be the example here? Example, she goes to school. She goes to school. Negative. What will be the example? She does not go to school. She does not go to school. Interrogative. Does she go to school? Does she go to school? Did you understand, my dear students? Subject plus B5 plus object. She goes to school. Subject plus does not plus B1. She does not go to school. Interrogative. Does plus subject plus B1 plus object plus question mark. Does she go to school? Can you give me another example? She eats rice. This one is another example of affirmative. And this one, Hira does not help him. Hira does not help him. Interrogative. Does he write a letter? These are the few more examples of simple present tense, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Now, which one is next? Simple present tense done. That means next one is simple past tense. Right. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. Let me rub this. So, in simple past tense also, you first of all you need to know about the structure of all these three, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. You need to know the all structure of simple past tense. So what will be in affirmative? Subject plus was, were, subject plus was, were plus complement. Subject plus was, were plus complement. Next one, negative. Okay, affirmative, subject plus was, were plus complement. Now negative. Subject plus was, subject plus was, were plus not plus, excuse me. Okay, negative one. Subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. And what will be in interrogative? Interrogative was were plus subject plus complement plus question mark. Simple past tense, subject plus was were plus complement. Negative, subject plus was were plus not plus complement. And interrogative, was were plus subject plus complement plus question mark. So can you tell me the example? One example. Okay, what was an example? She was a nurse. She was a nurse. Affirmative. Negative, she was not a nurse. She was not a nurse. Third one, interrogative. Was she a nurse? Was she a nurse? Question mark. Simple past tense, subject plus was were plus complement. She was a nurse. Negative, subject plus was were plus not plus complement. She was not a nurse. Interrogative, was were plus subject plus complement. Was she a nurse? What will be the another example of using were? Can you give me another example by using this were? They were good teachers. First example of affirmative. They were good teachers. Next one, negative. They were not good teachers. They were not good teachers. Interrogative. Were they good teachers? Were they good teachers? Affirmative. She was a nurse. They were good teachers. She was not a nurse. They were not good teachers. Was she a nurse? Were they good teachers? This one is simple past tense. Now last one. Yes, simple future tense. Simple future tense. F-U-T-U-R-E. Simple future tense. First one we did simple present tense. Second one simple past tense. And third one simple future tense. So can you tell me the structure of affirmative, negative and interrogative? Okay, first of all let me rub this. Can anyone tell me the structure of affirmative in simple future tense? At least you can try, right my dear students? Okay, affirmative, that means subject plus will shall, subject plus will shall plus V1 plus object, right? Subject plus will shall plus V1 plus object. Negative, subject plus will shall plus not, not plus B1 plus object. Interrogative, what will be the structure here? Will shall plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Simple future tense. Subject plus will, shall plus V1 plus object. Negative. Subject plus will, shall plus not plus V1 plus object. Interrogative. Will, shall plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. So can you give me the example of affirmative? Can you give me the example? Okay. Now can you give me the example of affirmative by using this structure? Okay. She will write a letter. She will write a letter. Now next one, negative, by using subject plus will plus shall plus not plus V1 plus object. What will be here? She will not write a letter. She will not write a letter. Interrogative. Will she write a letter? Will she write a letter? She will write a letter. She will not write a letter. Will she write a letter? Question mark. Another one, by using shall. Another one, what will be here? We shall read grammar. We shall read grammar. And in negative, we shall not read grammar. We shall not read grammar. Interrogative. Shall we read grammar? And question mark is compulsory. In interrogative, question mark is compulsory. She will write a letter. She will not write a letter. Will she write a letter? Question mark. We shall read grammar. We shall not read grammar. Shall we read grammar? Question mark. Question mark is compulsory in interrogative. Okay. Last example. He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. In negative, he will not come tomorrow. He will not come tomorrow. And last one, in interrogative, will he come tomorrow? Will he come tomorrow? Again I repeat, simple future tense, subject plus will, shall plus V1 plus object. Negative, subject plus will, shall plus not plus V1 plus object. Interrogative, will, shall plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. She will write a letter. She will not write a letter. Will she write a letter? We shall read grammar. We shall not read grammar. Shall we read grammar? He will come tomorrow. He will not come tomorrow. Okay, so affirmative, negative and interrogative, simple future tense. Before we discuss about simple past tense, simple future tense and simple present tense. This one is simple future tense, before simple present tense and simple past tense. So which one is another one? Okay, my dear students, before we discuss about simple past tense, simple present tense and simple future tense. Now next one is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense using subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus object. This one is affirmative. Subject plus this one is affirmative. You need to understand this. Subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus object. Now negative is negative. Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus V4 plus object. And interrogative is, am, are plus subject plus V4 plus object plus question mark. Present continuous tense. Subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus object. Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus V4 plus object. And interrogative is, am, are plus subject plus V4 plus object plus question mark. So can you give me one example of it? He is going to school. He is going to school. Another one. He is not going to school. He is not going to school. And this one, interrogative. Is he going to school? Is he going to school? Understood? Subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus object. He is going to school. Negative. Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus V4 plus object. He is not going to school. And interrogative is, am, are plus subject plus V4 plus object plus question mark. Is he going to school? This is present continuous tense. Now next one is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. What will be the structure in affirmative? Subject plus was, were. Okay my dear students, today we discuss about tense, aspects of tense, present tense, past tense, future tense, and learn about simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. And also we learn about present continuous tense. So we will see you in next class and discuss more about tense. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.